New Money Laundering Rules 2023. Is your business or NGO at risk? PMLA Amendment explained. Prevention of Money Laundering, Maintenance of Records. Amendment Rules 2023. Notification dated 7th March 2023. Introduction to the amendment. What is the prevention of money laundering? PML Act 2002. PMLA 2002 is India's primary law to combat money laundering and financial crimes. It ensures that financial institutions, businesses, and certain organizations maintains record to prevent illegal money flow. What are the PMLA Amendment Rules 2023? 2023 Amendment updates the existing rules to strengthen compliance, improve transparency, and enhance monitoring of financial transactions to prevent money laundering and terror financing. Why this amendment introduced on 7th March 2023? The amendment aligns India's regulations with global FATF Financial Action Task Force stands ensuring stronger due diligence, reporting, and record keeping for high risk transactions. What are the key changes and compliance requirements? What are the major changes introduced in PMLA Maintenance of Records Amendment Rules 2023? The key changes include mandatory registration of NPOs, non-profit organizations on Darpan portal, stricter Know Your Customer KYC norms for financial institutions, increased monitoring of politically exposed persons, PEPs, enhanced record keeping for suspicious transactions. How does this amendment impact banks and financial institutions? The banks and financial institutions must conduct stricter KYC checks, report high-value transactions and suspicious activities, maintain records of transactions for 5 years, register details of NPOs on Darpan portal. So what is the Darpan portal and why is it important? Darpan is a government platform under Niti Aayog that tracks registered NPOs in India. Under the 2023 amendment, all banks and financial institutions must verify whether an NPO is registered on Darpan before allowing transactions. Who are politically exposed persons, PEPs, and why are they monitored? PEPs include government officials, politicians, and bureaucrats who may have higher risk of financial corruption. The amendment requires banks to apply enhanced due diligence, EDD, when dealing with them. What are the new KYC requirements under 2023 amendment? The financial institutions must collect more details from customers. High-risk entities including NPOs, PEBs and business with foreign dealings require stricter verification. Suspicious activities must be reported immediately to authorities. Impact on non-profit organizations, NGOs. How does this amendment affect charitable and religious trusts? NPOs, including charitable and religious trusts, must register on the Darpan portal, maintain detailed records of donors and beneficiaries, report any foreign donations to regulatory authorities. What happens if an NPO is not registered on Darpan portal? If an NPO is not registered, banks cannot process their financial transactions, making it difficult for them to receive funding or donations. How does this amendment prevent the money laundering through NPOs? It ensures transparent financial records, stops anonymous or suspicious donations, strengthen government monitoring of NPO transactions, reporting a legal consequences. What type of transactions must be reported under the new rules? Cash deposits over 10 lakhs, foreign donations received by NPOs, suspicious large transactions, any unusual pattern in found transaction transfers. What are the penalties for non-compliance with 2023 amendment? This non-compliance may lead to heavy fines on banks, businesses, and NPOs, freezing of accounts involved in suspicious transactions, legal action under PMLA. How does this amendment help fight financial crimes? Strengthens transaction monitoring, ensures transparency in financial dealings, reduces the risk of money laundering and terror financing. Who is responsible for enforcing these new rules? Financial Intelligence Unit and Enforcement Directorate are responsible for monitoring compliance. Effect on business and individuals. How does this amendment impact business and startups? Business dealings with large financial transactions must maintain records for 5 years, perform strict customer verification, report suspicious transactions to authorities. Do individuals need to worry about this amendment? Unless you are involved in high value transactions, PEBs, NPOs, or foreign dealings, this amendment will not directly affect individuals. What should business do to ensure compliance? Implement stronger financial reporting, conduct KYC verification for clients, train employees on anti-money laundering policies, global compliance and future trends. How does this amendment align with FATF recommendations? FATF require all countries to strengthen their anti-money laundering frameworks. The 2023 amendment bring India closer to global standards. What happens if India fails to comply with FATF guidelines? Then be placed in FATF's grey list. Stricter international trade regulations. Failure to comply could result in difficulty in securing foreign investments. How does this amendment benefit India's financial system? Yes, reduces corruption and illicit transactions, improves India's global financial reputation, encourages foreign investments. Can NPOs still receive foreign donations under these new rules? Of course, yes, but they must be FCRA compliant and report all foreign contributions to the government. How will banks implement the new reporting rules? Bank must integrate automated monitoring system to detect and flag suspicious transactions in real time. How can business and NPOs stay updated on future amendments? Follow RBI and FIUIND guidelines, subscribe to government notifications, attend financial compliance seminars. Where can people report financial fraud or money laundering activities? Suspicious activities can be reported to Financial Intelligence Unit, Enforcement Directorate, Reserve Bank of India. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights. Subscribe for more updates. Thank you.